Hey, what's up everybody? Nate Quan here. We're looking at Sunday, middle of September 2019. And I wanted to share something with you guys. My boat here, I'll flip it around in a minute, has not been pulled out since the last tournament last year. Been busy working on some projects at the house and work's been very busy, so it's been on the bottom of the priority list. However, we got a tournament coming up starting really next week on High Rock. We got a birthday party I won't be able to attend, but I wanted to show you how nasty this boat has got. I mean, this thing is filthy. You look at the motor, look at the water line. I mean, this is probably the dirtiest this boat's ever been. Inside. Even the trailer. So you ask, why am I making a video about a dirty boat, right? Well, it's an opportunity. We're gonna see how well the Super Clean will do with it. So I got everything set out here. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna video while I clean it, but I'll give you some video afterwards. Maybe some before and after pictures, stuff like that. Brake dust. I mean, you got all elements here. Sticker goo. Man, it looks like somebody just backed this thing in and was done fishing for a little while, and that's where I was. So we'll get some before and after pictures. I do want to show you this on the back of the Super Clean. RV and Marine here. Inboard, outboard engines. So we're somewhere that would be full strength. We got some staining, fiberglass deck and holes, 3-to-1. Boat covers, not too much of. Vinyl seats and tops, yes. So I'm gonna hit it somewhere in the middle. So instead of 3-to-1 or 8-to-1, I'm gonna go about 6-to-1. Use my measuring cup. I wanna do it as they specify for this video. All right, guys, stay tuned for part 2 and we'll see how it turns out. All right, here we are. Still Sunday, middle of September. Looking forward to tournament season. Got me and Bristol here. We've been working on this boat for probably 4 hours. And the easiest part by far was putting the Super Clean on it. So I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna look at the end result here. What do you think, Bristol? Did we do good?
Yeah.
Was it hard work?
Yes.
But we got it.
Yes.
All right, so we started off with a filthy boat. I think everybody saw that. And by far the easiest part was cleaning the boat. Then we put a coat of wax on everything, a coat of Armor All on all the rubber. You know, tire shine on the tires, protected the inside plastic. So I'm gonna do a quick walk around and kind of show you what we got. You know, you remember the tires and wheels were filthy ridiculous. Frame, you know, trailer frame was the same way. Even the trolling motor was nasty. Everything's clean now. So we're going to check out the other side. Now Super Clean can help make us look good, but it can't help us catch fish. That's up to us. So guys, appreciate you tuning in, checking it out. This looks like a totally different boat. Now this boat is a 97 model, so that makes it 22 years old. Original motor, everything's original, seats, garage kit. Makes a big difference when you're taking care of things, keeping them clean. All right, see you on the water.